Ain't nobody gonna play no games with me. Okay? Okay, don't play games with me. These lashes be popping, boo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Island Beauty and I'm back with another video. In today's video we are doing this fall glam and this literally makeup look. Believe it or not, this is my first makeup tutorial of 2020. It's been a minute and I did pretty good for being out of the game for a long time. Alright, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking on the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified each and every time I post. And give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, so by the title you can tell this is gonna be a fall makeup glam, okay? We're doing sluttery, cranberry kind of vibes. I love that for the fall, so that's what I'm doing. And the palette we're using is gonna be my Jackie Aina palette. This is a staple, okay? Y'all gonna see me use this palette a lot. So I'm using this palette for this look today. And yeah, let's get into it. I did one eye off camera, so I have an idea of what I want to do. All right, let's get it. I don't know why this eye is like red in the corner, but let's just ignore that. Okay, so my first shade that I'm going to use, which will be, I won't call it my transition color, but something like that. I'm using my e.l.f. brush and I'm gonna use Ginger. And I already primed my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. So I picked up some of this and we're not gonna blend, I'm just gonna pat it on. Alright, now that I've patted it on, I'm just gonna take the brush and just do little circular motions just to blend it out. Alright, now I'm going to go into Credit, that dark shade right there. And I'm just kind of trying to create that smoky effect around the color that I just put. So I'm gonna take the brush. This brush is my Morphe M505 brush, by the way. So I'm gonna go around. And I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. So to tone this down a little bit, I'm gonna take a brush that has no product on it and I'm just gonna go and blend that out some more. I am taking it up a little bit to my eyebrows, not too far up though. The next shade is gonna be, I don't know why I say shade, I should actually be saying eyeshadow, but let's just go with it, okay? So the next eyeshadow I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna go into Lituation. And it's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm just going to put it right in the center. And I'm going to take my brush with no product on it just to go around it. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for credit. I'm not going to add any more additional eyeshadow to it. And I'm just going to take it and kind of flare out the corners. To prime my face, I'm going to use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know this is one of my new favorite primers. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation, Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai. I'm just going to use my e.l.f. foundation brush to blend this out. To conceal, I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge to blend this out. To set the concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in medium deep. And I'm just going to set. I'm using the same sponge. Alright, so now that we're looking crazy, I'm gonna contour. To contour, I'm gonna use my True Complexion Black Radiance Contour Palette. And this is a Real Techniques brush, but I don't know the name of it. I'm gonna go into the contour shade. I like to dust this out because it can be a little heavy sometimes. It look a little crazy. You feel me? All right. a slight contour on my nose, but I'm not going to use the contour shade. I'm just going to use the Sculpt shade right here. Although it's not that far away from my skin complexion, but I will add a little chisel to my nose. Alright, now I'm just gonna dust all this powder away. I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush from Real Techniques. It's called a powder brush. So I'm just gonna dust off all this powder. To bring a little bit more color back to my face, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. I'm going to use the same big fluffy brush to do that. Just to bring back a little color. Right. So we have the face almost done, not quite, but I am going to go back to the eyes just to finish it up. I'm going to go into Credit, and we're looking for smokiness, so I'm just going to smoke it out right here. I had to switch brushes because it was doing a little bit too much for me. I know it does look a little crazy there. I'm gonna fix that because I was using the other brush that was too big. So I'm using this small brush. It's by Royal Lanico. It's a pointed brush. I'm gonna take this sponge and I'm just gonna clean up under the eye. Sorry for the noise in the background, but let's make this quick, shall we? The Black Radiance contour palette, I'm gonna use the highlight shade and I'm just gonna highlight. Alright guys, so for my mascara, I'm using my Bad Gal Bang mascara. I tell y'all, lashes, when I just put on my mascara on my lashes, bro, ain't nobody gonna play no games with me. Okay, okay, don't play games with me. These lashes be popping, boo. Okay. I don't know if y'all realize my mood kind of changed because of the noise, but I can't. Let's just woosah. Bring it back. All good vibes, right? Okay. We're almost done, by the way. I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner. It is in the shade Moonwalk. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm trying to open it right now. And for my lips, I'm gonna use Matte Beauty. I'm not sure how this is gonna look with this look, but we will see. Okay. Alright, y'all, so we're pretty much done. I'm just gonna set my face using the Morphe setting spray. The lips, I thought that it was gonna look a little bit different, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna set this. Whew. Alright, loves, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and how you feel in this look, because I'm loving it, but I just wish the lids were a bit darker. I tried to top it off with the NYX lingerie lipstick, but it didn't do anything. So you know I gotta stock up on some fall lipsticks. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in my next one. Bye.